Gordon! Gordon!
5 more minutes, driver. Just need some rest.
Gordon, you have to wake up. The express is due out soon, and you know how Sir Hat is when it comes to keeping up with the timetable.
I can keep to the timetable with my eyes closed just fine, little Edward. I don't need a little engine like you to tell me about it.
These big engines.
It's about time for someone to wake up.
Gah! What in the name of Grizzly?
Wake up, lazy bones. The train is almost ready.
You little runt!
Can't swear around the passengers.
Come on, Gordon. Get off your tender and stretch your wheels for a change.
I'll say, disrespecting me. I'm the finest engine on this island. Probably the finest in the world.
In your dreams.
Why, listen here, you little uneducated shunter.
You have an express to pull, which as far as I'm concerned departs now.
Yes, it. Come on, get pushing. Come on, get pushing.
Alright, don't fuss. Alright, don't fuss. Bye, Gordon.
Good luck.
Ha! Luck. Won't need any of it, little Edward.
He'll get stopped on the hill again, won't he, Edward?
One can dream.
Alright, I gotta go and be a really useful engine and arrange the next train. See you later, Edward.
See you later, Thomas. And don't worry, you will be.